Some of that derail audio out of Georgia. We have to give him the credit for that. We just got it pointed at you on a big 7-element beam. Just trying to make some noise in the northeast corner. Skip shooter waving right back.
Oh, you are. You're making a lot of noise into the northeast corner, Skip shooter. I gotta tell you. 122, trying to let you know.
To see what the company makes some noise.
All right, Shotgun. Take care, man. Have a good one there, Mr. Shotgun in 122. Hello, sir. A big old good evening to you up there in the corner. Skip shooter right back.
Oh, I want to bump it down while you're rolling through town so good there, Skip shooter. I got to tell you, absolutely big numbers. Big numbers. Big sound, I like it. Skip shooter, welcome to Maine.
Yeah, down here, down Crystal Clear, we got down Doors of Fame, we got down,
Roger, 122. Hey, 122, sounding grand down here in the county too, man. You're smoking. Got my striker over there about 60 dBs, kind of wanting to climb over in the corner. Smoking coming out of that northeast. Hey, 122, good to hear you. Skip shooter right back.
Oh, you're doing the same thing. You are doing absolutely the same thing there, Skip shooter. No two ways about it. So I want to do a bump it down real quick while you're rolling in so good. I don't want to get in here to stay. Just want to get in here to say, hey, got the old video gate fired up real quick because, hey, you're sounding so grand on the band. Always good to hearing you rolling through the old northeast corner, Skip shooter. Absolutely is. On that, we're going to slide back out, listen to that old talk show of yours because, hey, you absolutely got one. Skip shooter, been a pleasure. Happy holidays to you and yours. 122 back out.
Anybody else? Hey, when we get lucky and catch conditions, we better talk a little bit and then get out of the way. So, hey, 122, we just went back to Georgia. And D-Rail done some upgrades to this old Striker 955 and put a few switches on it for me and done some stuff. Listen to this bass. Hey, 122. There you go, just kind of middle of the road. There's kind of middle of the road bass. There's a little bit more bass added to it. And then when you want to put the rumble in it, make a big old bass station sound. Some of that deep Georgia audio, D-Rail special, Skip shooter, right back.
Oh, and he does a good job. He does a good job with those radios, no doubt about it. I gotta tell you, all those settings you just had him in, they all sound real good. I think I like the mid one, but hey, the big old rumble is good too, no doubt. Hey, on that, we're gonna get back out of the road before we get run over. I just wanted to let you know you're sounding good up here in the corner. Hey, Skip, should have been a pleasure. 122 out of the road.
And now, all right, 122, take care. Yeah, that's where I run it at most of the time, right there, kind of middle. I can usually run it right there about the middle of the road, but I can turn it up on that deep bass and back the mic gain down just a little bit. It's a little clearer, but still real bold. But anyhow, that's some of that D-Rail technology. We just got it out on the air trying to help advertise. Anybody wants one little talk, old D-Rail, make them go. I see you now. Hey, 122, in case I don't catch you between now and then, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year up in the corner. We'll catch you next time around. They call me the 57 Magnum.
00, Mr. Black Smoke is right back. Come on.
Over down on the coast of the Carolina, I don't know if I got nothing to get in the mother nature in this radio.
If you ain't got that bass in that thing, it just ain't worth listening to. That Skip shooter with all that smooth audio, no doubt.
You talking about me down here, or you talking
Massachusetts?
Mobile down here in Tampa, stand by.
88 with Sam Hall State. How many times I gotta tell you?
Hey, Small Lakes, you gotta get by 500 first. Hey, Small Lakes, that can't be, you gotta get by me first on that, yeah. Hey, anytime, Small Lakes or Black Smoke in the Carolinas, I'm checking in.
Well, 500. Hey, 500, you're not in the Carolinas. Hey, 500, you're not in the Carolinas. You're up here in Maine. 122 in and out, letting you know.
Real good copy, 122. I sure do appreciate it, man. Hey, I'm just trying to do the best I can. You know how it is. Hey, I'll give you the time to you. Hey, happy Thanksgiving and every other thing since I last talked to you on that year. Hey, 122 or 500. Black Smoke is right by.
Real good copy. Real good copy. Absolutely got it going on up here in the corner. You do, sir. I just wanted to bump it down real quick. Wish you and yours a real good, safe, and happy holiday coming on up. On that, we're going to get out of your talk show with your video gate roll. Hey, 500, always a pleasure. 122 out of your talk show. Bye-bye.
Real good copy, 122. You ain't got to go nowhere, man, because it's all about you. Hey, 122, you don't have to go anywhere, man, because you know it's always all about you, man. You keep a great big old hammer out there, and you run some really clean video gates on that campaign here.
Lord and a quarter.
Hey, worldwide, 122.
Good Lord and a quarter. You boys keep keeping up with
Right by.
corner, and all of you putting my striker. All of you is putting my
You have a good day, 500. 122 back out. Bye-bye.
skip shooter 357.
Real good copy, 122. I stepped on them 5 Z's right there, man. You take it easy, take real good care. Hey, worldwide, 122, state of Maine. Oh, 500, Mr. Black Smoke, bottom side of these Carolinas. Lay it down. See ya. Oh, bye.
Well, you too. I'm 421. I'll have to.
Oh, 500, Mr. Black Smoke. These Carolinas, I'm checking out.
You said, you said 421 Dirty Water had them all on lockdown up there in the northeast corner. And I'm just saying what you said. Skip shooter sitting by.
Well, that's not right. Hey, skip shooter, that's not right. Putting us all on lockdown. 122 back out.
Big old mall making everything quiet in my little radio.
Hey, boy, anybody got a copy on?
Hey, 122. 122, he ain't got you on probation. He got everybody on probation there for one key, but some of y'all come back in there and y'all may have put 421 on probation. Skip shooter sitting by.
Hey, we're back out there, skip shooter. Just wanted to see if we could do it. 122 out of the road.
919. How about that?
Oh, you can definitely do it, 122. Hey, 122, you can definitely put him on probation. I see you, man. Click.
Yo, 813 in the Mobile. How about a dirty Tell them dirty water through the dang key in the Charles River. I can't find it.
Hello, 149. Hey, 149 in Maine. Good evening to you, man. Let me be careful before I start a war up there in the northeast corner. Hey, 149, good evening to you. Skip shooter, North Carolina, sitting by.
435.
Man, you don't hear that 149. You tell that 149 that Mr. Screwdriver in the state of Maine said howdy, howdy.
Oh, you boys ain't talked skip in a while. Y'all ain't talked skip in a while. I can tell it. Y'all all got your boxing gloves on this afternoon. Shotgun done opened up a toll booth, 421. 122, just being 122. Skip shooter, sitting by.
hell that 149 is squeaking up in there? Terrible.
357, I'm gonna put it where you can.
Okay, shotgun. I'll tell you what. Hey, open up a 22-fire shotgun. It ain't gonna be long. Somebody's gonna put me in the corner. I'm just talking while I got conditions. I see you, shotgun. Skip shooter, North Carolina, sitting by.
Skip shooter, you know me, I just want to have fun.
Shame on the mess. Ricochet, get on down.
Hey, shotgun, you got a key again if you gonna say hello to.
Yeah, 421's done change referees. 421 done change referees up there. He didn't like the way I was refereeing. I hear you, 421. My. Them Georgia boys done getting up on my back. I'm sitting by a skip shooter on the side.
If I had a bell at the 60 dB mark, that 60 dB mark, skip shooter, and you key it down, damn thing would be dinging. I take you keep hitting that 060. 122, just letting you know.
Hi, 122. I appreciate it, 122. I'm kind of cruising on the low side right now. I'm kind of cruising on the low side of this ugly duckling amplifier down here now. It's got a little bit of room left in it. If them boys put their boxing gloves on. Hey, 122, I'm standing by.
Oh, you'll like this gate. Oh my God, you just lighten it up. Just like a Christmas tree, she's lit up. Okay, we get back out of the road. Just trying to let you know conditions are holding up here in the corner. Bye-bye.
Hi, 122. Well, we all catch our day. I reckon I'm making the trip. And I'm having mine now. One of them boys will climb up on my shoulder here in a little bit and push me down. That's okay. Hey, 122, have a good evening. Skip shooter, 357 Magnum. And we pulling back.
Heard the radio out there. Hey, 004, heard that radio out there calling 004. But Mother Nation's doing her thing. And 004 got down. Cover's home.
How about get you? We got it 122. Hey, 122 Maytag. All right, guys, one more key and I'm gonna get out of the way for a little while. I hear several of you calling me. I always hate not to come back to everybody that's calling me, but man, sometimes I just can't pull you 28s out of there. But I do want to recognize and say I hear a good number of people calling me down here in the Carolinas. And if I catch that number, I'll try my best to call it out. We're going to go 10-6 here a little while and cool things off and just listen. So, skip shooter, 357 Magnum, North Carolina on the side. Okay, man, I didn't copy who that was. Somebody said I was sounding good in New York. Other than that, it's a train wreck, man. I can't make out nobody. Matter of fact, it sounded like this. So I'm going to just say howdy and stand down. I'm standing by.
Well, I'd like to add to that noise. Ricochet, I'd like to add to that noise. 122, State of Maine, waving.
Hello, 122, State of Maine. Well, I'd like to add to that noise. Ricochet, I'd like to add to that noise. 122, State of Maine, waving.
All right, man, I got 707 and 122. We waving right back.
Sounding good, Ricochet. Sounding real good up here in the corner on that. We're going to get back out of the road before we get run over. I'm just going to copy that old talk show. Ricochet, have a good day. 122 back out, rolling the gate.
122, you like the road, nobody run you over. Hey, 122, you do not have to run anybody run you over. That's what duck shucking was short, man.
You're flipping it back your way. Check it out.
Well, good. Now we're going to get back out of the road before we get run over. Just copy that old talk show. Ricky
everything up, did you? Gonna put it up.
Got it all, Ricochet. Thank you, sir.
Hey, I'll eating the time to you, 707. Around the NYC. Yo, 500, Mr. Black Smoke, bottom side, East Carolinas, I'm checking in.
Roger on that back go. We're just coming twice this way, no doubt. Appreciate the way back. 73s, 357 North Georgia off the key. Dwayne up there, 122.
I hear you, big boy. Under smile for totals, boy. Damn, enjoy all of it. Real big copy, 707, no doubt about it, man. Welcome to the weekend. Hey, take it easy and take real good care. And I know I heard my friend 999 out there in that badass Suburban. No doubt about that. Take care, 707, around the NYC. Hello, 999. At 999 CT. 0500, Mr. Black Smoke, I'm trying to get it back. Come on. Down here, by God, it ain't about 50-some foot now, but, well down, sound pretty good, I wrote, and shit, that's what they told me in the camp.
Lord have mercy, man. It's rough. It's rough and tough down my way. Shame on the mess, Ricochet.
Whenever you do it like that, I got to talk to my Camp Bigger radio, man. Hey, 707, whenever you do it like that, I do have to talk to my Camp Bigger radio on the Zen, no doubt about that. Hey, take it easy, take real good care, enjoy the weekend. Hey, 707, 0500, Mr. Black Smoke, bottom side, East Carolinas, I'm checking out.
17 Ontario, you got a copy on 813. And 1-2. I heard they're trying to get it back to me. I'm going to say hello to you, 148. Hey, 148.
Real big copy, 999, no doubt about it, man. Hey, Jingle Day wave around your way also, my friend. That's for Duck Sugar Rio. Hey, 999, that badass 8-pill Suburban. 0500, Mr. Black Smoke, bottom side of East Carolinas. I'm trying to get it right back. Come on.
Alright, man, well, your two-pill's working my way, man. Your two-pill's working my way, man, but I don't know if you're talking to me or not. Hey, 148, Ricochet, waving at that two-pill. Bye-bye-bye. Trying to flip things right back to you and wish you and your family a happy holiday on it.
Real big copy, 999, no doubt about it, man. Well, I'm going to sit back and take a pause for the calls. I just got on from the work 20 about 30 minutes ago, man, and I came right into the radio room and let this Camp-Bacon thing warm up.
Smoking down there, man.
It's trying to warm up on this Camp-Bacon end. So I'm going to sit back and walk back in the front room for a Scotia bit and talk with the old lady on that Camp-Bacon end. And once again, congratulations to you, my friend, no doubt about it, man, on the new young one coming in. Hey, worldwide 999 and that 8-pill, badass Suburban. 0500, Mr. Black Smoke, bottom side, East Carolinas, I'm checking out.
Right on the way, right on North Carolina, got down. 666, state of Maine, DX. How about it?
Well, 500 Carolinas. You make sure you check the gate out later on this evening. So we're going to be posting it up in a little while, no doubt about it. But hey, you absolutely got some big numbers out of the Carolinas. 500, you take care. 122 waving from the corner and back out. Bye-bye.
See ya. In the quiet.
I heard old Trinitron 9 out there too, man. So I'm going to say howdy, old Trinitron. Hey,
Bye-bye. Hey, 999, bye. Your Black Smoke is rolling, I'll see ya. Chile, Georgia.
How about it up there, DX Land? How about it, DX Land? 243. State of Maine, we're trying. Break out. Yeah, man, I'm going to say hello right back to the state of Maine, man. That was about 20 over, but Lord have mercy, man. I didn't get to 28. Hello, who is that in Maine? Come on. How about it, Ricochet? You got 243. Mr. 243. State of Maine, Ricochet.
I know I heard my friend Trinitron 9 out there. I know for sure I heard my friend Trinitron 9 out there.
Look on, man.
Hey, give me the time to you, Trinitron 9, the man with the cornbread can't sort it out, man. Everybody laying the hammer. I'm back out. Get it back.
Oh, we're going to try to sort it out. Hey, Ricochet, we'll try to sort it out one more time. If old Mother Nature will let me get back into that receive. Ricochet, you're still walking tall up the East Coast. Sounding good up here on this end. Ricochet, 122 will be waving down there to Georgia.
Oh, I guess I better get my knees in the breeze. That's definitely how you do it. Ain't my knees in the breeze to get my head and scared on that camping here. I'm showing out. All right, no contact. Trinitron 9. 0500, Mr. Black Smoke, bottom side. East Carolinas, I'm checking out. Flashback.
Wow, walking tall up the East Coast. Sounding good up here on this end. Ricochet.
707, real good copy, Trinitron 9. I heard you come up in there too. Hey, real good copy, 707. Hey, Trinitron 9. I heard you come up in this camping radio too. 707. Hey, Trinitron 9, Coney Island. Old Black Smoke, bottom side, East Carolinas, I'm checking in. Yo, 22 ground.